Welcome to my channel. Don't ignore these car problems in 2026. Save money fast. 1. Check engine light. Never ignore the check engine light. Scan the car with an OBD tool early to avoid expensive engine repairs later. 2. Strange engine noise. If you hear knocking or ticking sounds, stop ignoring them. Small engine problems can quickly become costly damage. 3. Brake problems. Squeaking brakes or weak stopping power means your brake pads may be worn out. Replace them early for safety and savings. 4. Battery warning signs. Slow starting or dim lights can mean a weak battery. Test or replace it before it leaves you stranded. 5. Tire wear issues. Uneven tire wear reduces safety and fuel efficiency. Check tire pressure and wheel alignment regularly. 6. Engine overheating. If your temperature gauge rises too high, check coolant levels immediately. Overheating can destroy the engine fast. 7. Transmission trouble. Jerky shifting or delayed acceleration may signal transmission problems. Early repairs cost much less than full replacement. 8. Oil leaks. Oil spots under your car should never be ignored. Fix leaks quickly to protect the engine from major damage. 9. Suspension problems. Bumpy rides or unusual shaking can mean worn suspension parts. Repairing them early improves comfort and control. 10. Poor fuel economy. If your car suddenly uses more fuel, check air filters, spark plugs, and tire pressure. Small fixes can save big money. Thanks for watching.